Oh yeah. My top down. We rolling. It's the light though. And we riding, and we rolling, and we love it. They know this, we cruising. And we riding, and we rolling, and we love it. They know this, we cruising.
Crew, what to do? This your boy Chris back with another video, man. And right now we're actually at the first exotic expo down here, Cars on Main. So what it is just a bunch of different like exotic and exclusive cars and stuff like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run around so y'all can see what they got out here, and I'm kind of excited to see what they got myself. So y'all let me know in the comments what y'all favorite is, and I'm gonna see y'all just in a minute. So they got like the trucks and Jeeps and Broncos, Hummers and stuff over here on this side. Now what this is, like something off one of them mad shows or something, I don't know. Yeah, I probably saw this one on my last vlog from the Auto Expo last weekend. I actually met my boy last weekend right here, so y'all got to see that on the last vlog. Clean. So go to Lotus. So we got this lime green Lotus right here. I want to say I've seen this on the street a few times. That joint clean, the lime green with the black accents on there. He got that manual. I'm gonna try to get one of these on the channel for y'all, man. Review one of these, drive one, something like that. But I definitely rock with those. They look a lot nicer now than what they used to. And then you got the RA right here.
Does it really? Look at the lamp.
Kids be going crazy over the R8. John's nice as hell though. You got a tip. That's an aftermarket screen you got in there. I don't know if I was spending money for one of these, but they still nice though. Let's see what he got here.
I mean, it's been about this steady for the whole day.
So I knew it was an F type, but I ain't never seen a Project 7. I'm about to look that up, see what that mean. I guess it's like one of the old races or whatever. Interior nice on them for sure. I like the interior on there. So we got a Aventador right here, man. Drive-out tag still on it. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I would think about settling for a Huracan whenever, you know, it get that time to go ahead and make that move, but that Aventador, it's just something about it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This the one for me. He just got the door jams wrap yesterday. Matter of fact, Luke at Nice Tints did my wrap. He did the door jams on here. But yeah, I love this. I love that. Can't beat it, man. They nasty. Got that Maserati. Is this a 570 or a 720? Oh, it's wrap. I knew it was wrap, but I ain't see right here in the middle. That forged carbon. That matte black, and you got the forged carbon on it too. Forged carbon on the back. Peanut butter interior. You gotta get this junk cleaned up. But it's nice though. These nice, but I don't know if I had to just go, I ain't gonna lie, I had to go Aventador. between them two. I'll have to. Oh, that's a manual? That's too funny. Got a built on the hood. That's crazy. Man. Trying to run through here, man. Try to run through here. I gotta move. I gotta move my car ASAP. I ain't got time to be getting told at all. So let me run through, see what we got down here. Shout out to, I want to say his name, Brian, bro. This dope. I know a lot of people gave you flack for it, but it's a dope show right here. So you got a Bentley, bro. I don't know what bro got going on. I ain't gonna lie to you. But you got this Ferrari. Give y'all a better view of this right here. Which one is this? Big shit. Let me go around front. Y'all better view of this one right here. Now I know my boy Kier, he love Rari. This ain't the one that he want, but I know he love Rari. But I'm definitely a Lambo guy when it comes between them two. I believe Luke wrapped this one too at Nice Tints. I'm almost 100% sure he wrapped this one, that purple, which I was finna do on this thing at first. But it's nice though. He got the carbon fiber hood on his. Purple Lotus, okay. Viper nice. You go ahead, I'm sorry. Might have one of these on the channel soon too, y'all. I might have two on the channel, so y'all wait for that. We might have two Vipers at the same time. We're gonna work on getting that. Just left a Mustang show, so if y'all ain't seen enough Mustang, go watch that other video. But GT500, it's beautiful though. Pretty much brand new condition. These are nice. Had the Porsche drop top thing, the Speedster. Now my little brother go crazy for this right now. And it's silver like the one he had. Let's see, is a stick? Yup. And he stick shot it. I like them. I think it's a hard top drop top. Is this the Ford GT? I ain't never seen one of these in person. These like the little cars you see at Walmart. You just buy them out the little pack. The little toys. I know this jump move. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to eventually get one of them on the channel. I don't know how. Some way we're gonna make this work. Somehow, some way. Somehow, some way. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Yeah. You got the Super Moot. Got the Super Jump. Got a Super out here. Red. Alright. I'm gonna have one of them on the channel soon. Anybody that's into them kind of cars. This is an old NS6, yep. Yep, okay. He did real good of finding exactly the car that he wanted, bro, for this show. Interior of the NS6. Let me show back here. Gotta show the engine. Trunk. The blue 911. Interior look nice in that junk.
Can I get some more out of you?
Another R8. White with the carbon fiber wrapped around all the accents. Stick. Another Viper. Older model, but hey, it's still a Viper though. See how they changed the interior on the newer one versus these. It's probably the tightest car I done sat in, bro. A Viper, it's crazy how little they are on the inside. Like smaller than a freaking Vet. I ain't been in a Lotus, but here go another one. Evora GT. Deck like dark granite gray. The flakes in it, I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but paint look good. It's a lot of Lotus out here, bro. It's a lot of them. Did I miss something? Let me go this way. So what's so crazy, when I was on my way to Jackson, I seen literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming from like Jackson way. So I don't know if they live up there or if they was going to something up in Jackson coming back, but it was so crazy. I passed them going to Jackson, they was coming back this way. When I seen them, I said, bro, they had to be coming to the show. You don't see cars like this just following each other like that, going to one place unless they going to something crazy. But NS6, first time seeing one of them in person. That's for sure. And I ain't gonna lie, I wanna drive one of these, just cause. I know they ain't the fastest supercar or whatever, but they dope. Now I wish I could actually look inside some of these cars, but I know they say they don't want people touching them. And I feel them. It's like, you spend all that money for these cars, you don't need to be getting your little crummy hands all on it. Another Aventador. Yup. Another Aventador, that junk sitting low to the ground. Carbon fiber down there. And brought on, let me see, get up in here. Check out the interior.
I'm gonna be getting that content. I'm gonna be getting that content.
Hey, I got to, bro. Trying my best. Bro, my boy. You alright? Cruising with Chris, man. CRUISIN with Chris on YouTube, Instagram, all that, man. Shout out to my boy Pikachu, man. I always bumping you everywhere I go down there. you gotta get that content on. I just left Jackson, but it got rained out slick. Like, it was still a lot of cars up there, but they weren't racing enough, so I had to go on, dip out and try to catch this real quick. Now this was my dream car right here growing up, y'all. The Gallardo. Now, you know, they changed models and New Year's and stuff, so it'll change to the Aventador, but this was my dream car growing up. It's crazy how much smaller the Gallardo is versus the Aventador.
It's 2008.
Crazy. Oh, you done crunked that joint up. Hey, CO6. Carbon fiber diffusers. Aston Martin. This junk classy. Had to get this for the wife or something. This junk clean. That white, that tan interior.
Yeah, you don't need to.
They've got to get one of them for the old lady. So we got a C8. White interior. I like that greenish gray. Another Viper. Another Viper. We had 3 Vipers. Oh, I missed the GT taking off. It's all good. Newer Viper. Older Viper. My boy Scott, his Viper. I didn't know he had forced carbon on his dash. All right, my boy. We got old Supra. Like I said, I'm going fast so I can get up out of here, y'all. M3. Another McLaren. I think this is a 520. Or 570, I mean, yeah. Oh yeah, it is. 570 is, yep. So a little bit smaller, I guess, than the 720 up there. I like that white better, I'm not gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna catch to you, I love cars, but I do not know what this is. But it's cool. Okay. Alright. Now I may be mistaken. Don't quote me, but I believe the guy that owned that red Aventador up there, this is his too. I may be wrong. But I think this is his Huracan. This junk clean, bro. Like, I don't even know if they make the Aventador in this color, but if I can get it wrapped or painted this color, or Aventador, same color scheme, bruh, I'll be cool. The red brake calipers, the black with the red stitching. Like I said, it's just smaller. That's the only thing. And again, it look good when it's, you know, by itself. Don't get me wrong, it's a Lambo. Like, you winning regardless. It's just when you next to a Aventador, with it being longer and all that. Pause. V10. Yeah, I just rock with it a little bit more, but you give me either one of them, I'm gonna be all right. I promise you, I ain't gonna complain. All right. GT4. Porsche. Another one. And what's this? It's a 6. M6. Or this an 8? It's an M8. Not gonna lie, I think I like the 6s better. They look like they're a little bit longer. I guess they would be. But the design, I don't really like the new design on the new BMWs. I wish they would have changed that up, but it is what it is. Let me make sure my car's still good, y'all. Yup. Now this is probably my favorite Porsche out here just because of the color. That purple. The light purple. And it's a big wing on here. My boy Luke, I know he want one of these bad. Luke, go on, pull the trigger, bro. Go on, get you one. I know the wife ain't gonna be happy when you bring it home, but What they say, better to ask for forgiveness than permission. Yeah, go and pull that trigger, bro. I see you in one of these already. The black with the orange stitching. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera. It's nice though. AMG. That thing tight, but I know they gonna fly. I know it's gonna fly. You already know it's gonna fly. Oh, hit myself on the leaf, y'all. Alfa Romero, what is it? Alfa Romero. I feel like their name and logo make them more expensive than what they should be.
I know that.
That's just my opinion. Look like a Lotus, but the Lotus look better. Honestly, that's just my opinion. Another McLeasy. The tan interior. A peanut butter, I should say. That's the C8? Oh yes, that's C8 over there revving up. Yeah, that McLaren nice. Alright, so I'm gonna get out of here real quick before I get blocked in. I don't want to do that, but like I said, I want to kind of just run through real quick, give y'all some content. 2 in 1 day. Y'all see my baby right here. Show her some love on the channel, man. Putting all these other cars on the channel. I ain't even showing. Well, she dirty right now because I just got back. Y'all don't judge her. But she's still the coldest Mustang I ain't seen. Coldest, hardest, whatever you want to say. I gotta tell y'all a story about that. Had some people in their feelings on Facebook about this. But turn this around. Get this mask off. Oh boy. So it's been a day, man. I've been up since like 6 o'clock. Fed the baby, changed the diaper, got her back to sleep, jumped up, showered. I was at the door probably about like 7:15, and was headed on my way to Jackson, man. And so went to the Mustang meeting. It's crazy because the weather in Memphis perfect, but Jackson, it was just too, man, it was bad as far as the rain and stuff like that. You couldn't really do nothing. And I didn't want to just sit around and wait because I didn't know what was gonna happen. But anyway, so I ended up leaving a little bit early or whatever to make it to this. This is over at 2:30, so I kind of, made good time, got at least to see it, you know what I'm saying? The car that was out here, and he did real good. Again, shout out to, I want to say his name, Brian. I'm gonna tag his information down below. He picked all the cars for the show. Like, you couldn't hit him up and really just enter your car. You couldn't just pull up, which makes sense when you see the setup. Like, he had it laid out perfect. Like, all the cars had spots, really perfect spots, really, the way he placed them all and stuff like that. But wasn't just no pulling your car and saying I got a show car type thing. Like, it was planned out, and a lot of people gave him flack for it, but like, it turned out good, especially being in the park, and the weather couldn't have been perfect. So shout out to you, bro. I know next year you're gonna try to have it a little bit bigger, and just keep doing what you're doing. So anyway, I'm logging off for today because I got some other stuff got to get done. But I will catch y'all on the next video. So like I always say, stay locked in, stay cruising with your boy, and I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. I'm out.